Have you ever wondered how a simple pastry achieves its golden, crispy layers? Today we're exploring the science behind the caramelized layers of Kouign-amann. Kouign-amann, a Breton delicacy, is known for its layered structure and caramelized exterior. It's made with laminated dough, sugar, and butter. During baking, the sugars in the pastry caramelize, turning golden brown. This happens when sugar is heated above its melting point, around 320–350 GF. Steam from the butter expands the layers. A smell awakens the layers. The dough contains 83% butter and 50% sugar, resulting in a rich, flaky texture. To achieve the perfect caramelization, the pastry is baked slowly at first. Higher temperatures for longer periods can enhance the caramelization further. Kouign-amann offers a similar experience but in a muffin shape. It's like a miniature caramel croissant with flaky layers. Understanding the science behind Kouign-amann helps in achieving its signature crispy, sugary layers. Its rich butter and sugar content make it one of the richest bakes. Now you know how to achieve that perfect caramelization in your Kouign-amann. What other pastries would you like us to explore? Let me know in the comments.